Okay, I also just want to say, side note, I feel like I was being just such a total freak, but when the camera's on you, you get kind of nervous. It's been a while, so bear with me, homies. I'm here for all your entertainment and hair education purposes. Please stay tuned for more. Hey homies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brena May, aka Honeybee. On this week's episode, we did Taylor Swift at Beyonce's Renaissance movie premiere. I love this look. If you have questions or want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. She's worn this hair a couple times, I feel like at her birthday as well. I could tell from looking at the photo that they curled it with a center part and then went in and flipped it over like this. And the reason I could tell is because like her under curls appear to have been curled backwards, and then these top curls are coming towards her face like that. Okay, let's just get into curling. I'm probably gonna curl it in 2 sections. I'm using a curling iron, and the tips of, here, I'll put it in show you the inspo photo. So like the tips of her ends look curled. So to me that says that she used a curling iron as opposed to a wand. You should be putting in heat protectant first, but you know when you just haven't had your hair done in so long, you just don't care. This is my boyfriend's gross brush, but what are you gonna do? Just be careful when you're brushing out that hair. You don't want to cause any more breakage. If you don't know how to curl your hair like this, I have a tutorial and I'll post a link in the comments down below so you guys can check it out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking at, I got a new camera, so I have a flip out screen on it, and that's what I'm looking at to do my hair, but it's kind of hard to see. I feel like I need to hook it up to like an iPad or something, but what do you think I am, made of money? So I'm curling it all away from my face, FYI, in case I didn't mention that. I usually like to have an outfit that's similar to the inspo photo, but yo, homie is broke, but also I got fat. Barely anything fits me. I'm wearing Lululemon pants right now and a stretchy tank top. So I found the easiest way to curl my hair is split it in 2 and start at the back. Honestly, if you suck at the curls, don't be upset. And you if you want to use a curling wand or whatever, use that. Just, it might not look the exact same, but do we care? No. This is like my backup curling iron. It is kind of whack. Ear break, baby. Ooh. I'm kind of taking bigger sections in the back, and then when I get to the front, I will be taking smaller secciones. Is this thing on? Ooh, that one's good. That one's golden brew. I'm sweating. You know, I realized as I got chubbier, I sweat a lot easier. Part of the reason why I haven't filmed, I've been busy. It was a busy December, but I find it's really hard to think of content when you have bangs. I like having an array of content, not just Taylor Swift shit. Although my Taylor Swift content be popping. I love it. Okay, how are we gonna handle these bangs? I'm gonna have a good look at them. So Taylor has her part like way deep in the corner, but you guys can see where my cowlicks are, like here, here, here. I'm gonna probably try do my part right there. I'm kind of taking my part on a slant like this. So I'm just gonna kind of take the tip of my comb and part on a diagonal. Okay, we're getting there. I'm just gonna kind of bevel my bangs under and out like that, and then I'm just gonna kind of go like this, just one little section at a time, so that you have control of what you're doing. One of the biggest things in hairstyling is sectioning it out so that it becomes more manageable. There is kind of that shape that we want there. Not gonna lie, I have to look at the inspo photo again. I'm gonna start brushing out my curls now before I focus on shaping the bangs anymore. Ooh, we're getting there! Ooh, it's so exciting when you like see it come together. Okay, homies, so I had a little peek in my hair, and I think I need a bigger section that comes forward. So I'm just gonna recurl this right here. She might have used a 1 1/4 inch iron. I'm using a 1 inch iron. My hair's a little shorter, so that's okay. If you take bigger sections, it's pretty similar. Taylor has this kind of held back really nicely and sleek. So I'm gonna section right here to the tip of the ear, and I'm going to spray hairspray in at the root. I'm gonna take another, divide that in 2 again, spray more hairspray. I'm taking my comb at an angle like that. Oh, there it is. There's the money, baby. Okay, so this is cooled down now. I'm just gonna kind of brush through it. Ooh, baby, I feel like we got it, shit! I feel like I always go through these so fast, but I think I'm just having a great time with y'all. Let's go. If you're having a good time with me, please hit that subscribe button. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you have any requests or questions about this hairstyle or what you think of it. Be nice or not. I really don't give a And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.